All right, on to the age problems. These are pretty common as well. All right, Jack is half the age of Alberto. Alberto is 8 years older than Marge. Their combined age is 132. How old is each person? Okay. Yeah, so it says here, let X represent the age of Marge. Okay. So if this is how old Marge is, then Alberto is going to be 8 years older than Marge. Okay. So Alberto would be X plus 8. That would represent Alberto. And then Jake is half of this age right here. So this would be 1/2 of this X plus 8. That would represent Jake's age. Now, the problem says if their combined age is 132, how old is each person? This is the setup for how you would solve one of these. Unfortunately, this is kind of a tough one to handle. Not too bad, I guess. It's just you end up with a little bit of a fraction action. All right, so all three of their ages are going to combine up to 132. That's the idea. Marge, Alberto, and Jake. So I can go ahead and put these two together. That's going to be 2x plus 8. And then this one, I need to distribute the 1/2. Or I guess I could clear the denominator. I'm just going to distribute. Multiply by 1/2 on both of those. So that's going to be 1/2 x, and then 1/2 times the 8 will be a 4. All right, and then I need to combine like terms. So the 2x and the 1/2 x, I'm just going to make it a decimal. So it's going to be 2 and then a 0.5x. So that's going to be 2.5 x. And then your 8 and your 4, of course, that'll give you 12. All right, now to solve it, you're going to move the 12 over. So you get 2.5x is equal to 120. But then you would need to divide by 2.5. Man, I guess I am going to use a calculator. I don't have to, but I'm gonna. 120 divided by 2.5. All right, calculator said that was 48. All right, so x equals 48. All right, so if this is Marge's age, then Alberto, since he is 8 years older, that's going to be 56. And then who's the other guy? Jake. The problem said that Jake was half the age of Alberto, which is going to make that 28. All right, and if you check it out, these three ages will add together to give you 132. That was the whole idea. All right. Similar question, number 8. Pause it, give it a try, see how you do. All right, Tom's 4 years younger than Kara. That's interesting. Kara is twice as old as Bob. Oh my goodness. In 10 years, their combined ages will be 86. Holy moly. Okay. So I got 3 people here? Yeah, I got 3 people, don't I? Tom, Kara, and Bob. Okay. Kara is twice as old as Bob, but I don't know how old Bob is. That's what I'm going to let my X be. X is going to be Bob's age. Okay. X is going to be Bob's age. Kara is twice as old as Bob. So 2x is going to be Kara's age. And then Tom is 4 years younger than Kara. So it's going to be 2x take away 4 because he's 4 years younger. than Kara. All right. All right, that's going to represent their ages. Now, in 10 years, all of their ages is going to be 86. But we want to know how old they are right now. Well, here's what I know. I know that in 10 years, each of them will have aged, plus 10. So that's a total of 30. So right now, their combined ages, all three of these, is actually adding up to 56. All right, in 10 years, they're going to be 86 altogether. So right now, it's x plus 2x plus 2x minus 4. All of them add up to 56. And I'm just subtracting 30 because I'm taking off the 10 years is what I'm doing. All right, we'll see how this comes out. This is going to be 5x minus 4 equals 56. Add 4 to both sides. You're going to get 5x equals 60. And then divide by 5. There we have it. X is going to equal 12. Cool. So Bob is 12. That's Bob. And then Kara's twice Bob's age. So that's going to be 24. And then Tom is 4 years younger than Kara. So Tom would be 20 years old. Yeah, that's it. All right. I know that one was tough. They're all kind of tough, honestly. Word problems.